Good morning, students. Welcome to ASF Public School e-learning program. I am your English teacher, Miss Sehrish Amin. Students, today's topic is tense, review of tenses. First of all, students, I would like to give you a short introduction of tenses. Students, tense means time or action. So now I would like to tell you the definition of tense. Students, the tense is the change of form in a verb to express the time of an action. So the tense of a verb indicates the time of the action that is expressed by the verb. Now students, the question that comes in our mind is that which type of time is? The answer is time can be divided into three types. First is present, second is past, and third is future. As you can see in this picture, students, there are three tenses. Number A present tense, B past tense, C future tense. Okay, students, there is an example for your better understanding about present, past and future. Sentence number 1 is she writes a letter, and sentence number 2 is she wrote a letter. Third sentence is she will write a letter. Students, in first sentence I mention present time, and in second sentence I mention past time. So there is an example of past tense in second sentence, and in third sentence I describe future time. So there is an example of future tense. Okay students, each of these principal tense is again subdivided into four forms. Number 1 indefinite, number 2 continuous, number 3 perfect, and number 4 perfect continuous. Students, number 1 tense is present tense. So present tense is again subdivided into four forms. Number 1 present indefinite, number 2 present continuous, and number 3 present perfect, and number 4 present perfect continuous. Students, past tense is again subdivided into four forms: past indefinite, past continuous or progressive, past perfect, or past perfect continuous. So students, future tense is again subdivided into four forms: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So students, I will explain past and present tense and future also, but in our first term we will do only present and past tense, and in final term we will do future tense. Okay students, now I will explain present and past tenses in this video, but today I will also do a brief review of future tense. Students, now I will show you the list of formation of these tenses. Now I will explain it. Students, in present indefinite tense, the formation is subject plus first form of verb plus object. Students, in this tense, in present indefinite tense, in case of third person singular number, s or es is added with the verb. As you can see in the example, students, she reads book in library. So we use reads s with first form of verb. So she is subject in this sentence, and reads is verb, and book is object in this sentence. Okay students, in present continuous the formation is subject plus helping verb. We will use helping verb is, am, are plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Example is I am studying in a high school. I am studying. Studying is verb. Study, first form of verb plus ing. I am studying in a high school. Third tense is present perfect tense. Students, present perfect tense, the formation is subject plus has or have plus third form of verb plus object. Students, we always use third form of verb with all perfect tenses like present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. We always use third form of verb. So the example of present perfect is he has made this colorful chart. Has made. Made is third form of verb. So in negative sentence we will use he has not made this colorful chart, and in interrogative we will use has he made this colorful chart. So in fourth is present perfect continuous tense. The formation is subject plus has or have been, has been or have been. Which helping verb we will use in this tense? Has been or have been, plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for plus time. So the example is she has been working there since 2017. So students, she has not been working there since 2017 will be in negative sentence, and in interrogative sentence has she been working there since 2017. Okay students, now I will tell you second type of tense, which is past tense. Students, in past tense, past indefinite tense, the formation is subject plus second form of verb plus object. Students, here please remember that always use second form of verb in simple sentences in past indefinite tense, but in negative sentences and interrogative sentences of past indefinite tense we always use first form of verb plus did or did not. So students, please keep in mind that always use second form of verb in simple sentences, and in negative and interrogative always use first form of verb plus did or did not. So students, the example of past indefinite tense is he completed the assignment. In negative sentences, he did not complete the assignment. In interrogative, did he complete the assignment? So complete is first form of verb. So coming to the next one, students, past continuous tense. The formation is subject plus was or were plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So the example is he was reading the book. In negative, he was not reading the book. In interrogative, was he reading the book? So coming to the next one, which is past perfect tense. Students, in past perfect tense, the formation is subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Students, in this tense there is only one helping verb, which is had, not two like that of present perfect, has or have. In this tense we will always use only one helping verb, which is had. So the example of past perfect tense is I had finished my homework. In negative sentence, I had not finished my homework, and in interrogative sentence, I finished my homework. Coming to the next one, past perfect continuous tense. So the formation is subject plus had been plus first form of verb plus since or for plus time of period. The example is I had been playing football since morning. In negative sentences, I had not been playing football since morning. In interrogative, had I been playing since morning. Students, now I will give you a brief review of future tense. Students, in simple indefinite tense, the formation is subject plus will or shall plus first form of verb plus object. I shall go to park for a walk. In future continuous tense, formation is subject plus will or shall plus be plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, he will be playing football. In future perfect tense, formation is subject plus will have plus third form of verb plus object. He will have played football. This is the example of future perfect tense. Okay students, last one is future perfect continuous tense. The formation is subject plus will have been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for plus time of period. Example, he will have been watching the TV for 50 minutes. So this is the example of future perfect progressive tense. So students, this was all about your tenses, present and past tense, and review of future tense. Okay students, now I have a notes of review of tenses. Some tenses for do as directed. So you will have to write down this work in your copy, English language copy students. I hope students you will understand this topic review of tenses. So take care and goodbye.